Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Kitchen. This is Archana. Christmas is just 2 weeks away, so I started to set my menu for the Christmas Eve, and today's recipe is one of them. Today we are going to make apple cream pie. So without further delay, let's get down to the work. For making this recipe, we need these ingredients. First we will prepare our pastry dough. Now make a crumble dough. We do not want a smooth dough for this pastry. It should be crumbled one, as you can see here. Now this dough is ready. We are going to bake the pastry first. Here I am using 7-inch spring form pan, so it will be very easy to take out the pie. If you think it is not spreading nicely, you can use a small bowl here and press it toward the pan, so it will be formed nicely. Now bake this sheet for the 12 minutes. Meanwhile, pie sheet is in the oven. We will make the stuffing, peel the apples and remove the seeds and cut into the small pieces. It has been 12 minutes. Check the pie crust. Pie crust is nicely cooked. Take out from the oven. Cook the apples in the medium heat for 10 minutes. Stir continuously. When it is halfway cooked, you will see it is releasing the water. Turn off the stove and add these ingredients. Now cook this stuffing one more time in the low heat for 2-3 more minutes, because we have already added the corn flour, so it will become very thick. When this stuffing is ready, at the end add the lemon juice, mix nicely and keep aside. Our stuffing is ready, so we are going to do last step. We saved half amount of the dough. So now we are going to put the dough around the ring. As you can see me doing here, I am pressing toward the walls nicely, so it should be even. Next, we are going to pour the apple stuffing. At the end, press the edges. It is time to bake again. It has been 15 minutes. Let's shake the pie. Now pie is ready. So now we are going to prepare the cream.
When you are adding the sugar, don't pour all the sugar at a one time. Just pour halfway. After you blend with the butter, then add again. Then blend into the smooth paste. Whenever you are making the pie, make sure it should be in the room temperature when you are putting the cream. Otherwise, whole cream cheese will be melted. So if you have less time, you can put in the fridge. For making this video, I put my apple pie in the fridge for the 15 minutes. Now it's completely cooled down. It's time to spread the cream. Spread nicely. Afterward, garnish with the almonds. Now our apple cream pie is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe or share. Enjoy and Merry Christmas!